Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to take the Foz out for a nice cruise to go get a baby change table. Stay tuned. Perfect. Alright guys, if you're tuning in and you saw last episode, you can tell that this is kind of in between. Still got the boxes here. So I'll be finishing off that episode that you've already seen yesterday, tonight. So that'll be all cleaned up. But first up, I'm going to give the Foz a little bit of a wash. Alright, rained a little bit last night, so it's actually quite dirty. Alright, I'm just going to check the coolant. Probably be down a little bit, and I'm going to put a zip tie on that. There we go. Well, I couldn't find the adapter to go from the 3.5 to the GoPro, so no engine noise, unfortunately. I'll still be in my parents' place. However, I won't be able to have any of the engine noise at all because I had the guys in the car and got the radio on, so yeah, YouTube copyright laws and stuff like that. Check out these Twisties. Yeah, it's in smoke.
Popping Billy's over here, Marley. See the smoke?
Popping Billy.
Look out this way. Oh, remember when you got the Popping Billy book at home? You have to read it to remember.
There it is.
Oh.
Good timing.
Music.
I was going crazy in that music.
Yeah, thank you. Paradise Valley Hotel, nice. Is it live out here, Marley?
Butterfly?
Whatever.
you like this episode, just a little bit of a drive around in some twisties. Next episode, guys, we'll be getting stuck back into the skyline. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.